Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, Brony, ma, Papa Kumasi go abroad. Or see a hole, you want to me a war. Ni wama dane kwa. What I know fe wope waduro bina wawa. Abra wakona. He gave him a big tactical format. Asem nebe. Somebody wife asem nebe. I feel why I wanted.
Hi, sexy.
Lefty, come. What are you doing here?
Oh, I'm just relaxing.
Why? You don't feel hungry or?
Oh, I'm a little bit hungry. Is the food ready?
Yeah. See, I have cook in. I forget the name.
The one I taught you.
The one you teach me.
In Katankwine?
No, in cotton. No.
In Katankwine?
In Katankwine.
Yeah, in Katankwine.
Ah, yeah, in Katankwine.
Okay. So it's in Katankwine?
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah, I have cooked it. So, yeah, I hope you will like it.
Yeah, I think.
It's just like I don't know how we can.
Yeah, I even love the smell. Yeah. Two of them when you look at lecture, we me and my channel on Insano. We me say Abena Kumasi Sano. Say Abena Kumasi Sano.
Abena Kumasi Sano.
What's it?
Abena Kumasi Sano.
Insano. Meaning it's your own hand that you use to prepare the soup. So it's going to be tasty and nice.
Yeah, it will be nice.
Yeah, to be nice.
Like it.
So yeah, I will like it. And then the fufu yesterday is too hard to do it.
Yeah.
So I want to rice.
Okay.
So you
then I will cook it with rice.
Yeah, cook it with rice for me, and then yesterday I saw you checking YouTube. You were checking Ghana music. Why?
Oh, like since I know you and you bring me more to all this, so I was like, there's one Ghanaian artist, like I really like his music, but I don't know the name. Where it's like Stone, like he have
Stone Boy.
Yeah,
Stone Boy. Wow! You love Stone Boy?
Yeah, really.
You love his music?
Yeah, he have good music too much.
Wow!
Yeah.
Wow! Can you sing it?
Yeah, there's one song I can sing it.
Oh, sing it for me. Hey!
Okay, it's like, oh God. But I don't know if I can, my English and...
It's okay. Can you sing it in the music in Dutch? Can you change it to your language?
No.
You can't.
This one. Okay, it's like, after you make it, better watch where you keep around you.
Oh, from the beginning. Oh, what a shame. Why do you want me to fail at the end of the day? You only know my name. You don't know my story. No.
Oh, so
no. Abra, you know something? I'm loving you. Trust me, because you just embracing my culture and then embracing my people. Learning Ghanaian music and then following my footsteps. God bless you.
Thank you.
Get me something to eat.
Okay.
But I'm gonna teach you Chi.
Yeah, you have.
We started yesterday,
yes.
but you were just say mommy, papa, daddy, mom.
Yeah.
Okay. Besemi uncle.
Okay, slowly.
Yeah. Okay. Come, let's go and eat. It's like besemi uncle didi.
Okay.
Besemi uncle didi.
No, say it again.
Besene mayenko didi. Besene mayenko didi.
Okay.
Say it or let me see it.
And then all alone again. Hey, Papa Kumasi.
I'm not Kumasi.
You want to pull my leg? Okay, no, I'm trying.
You try.
Yeah, but it's not easy.
It's not easy, I know.
Say it again.
Besene mayenko.
Besene mayenko.
Yes.
Okay.
So
get
straight.
it?
Oh no, that's one.
Besene.
Give me the food. I'm coming. I'm very, very happy, you know. I'm very, very happy. Yeah, trust me, because looking at around, you know, so many people, everybody say hello, hello. When they say hello, I say hello. I can't speak Dutch, so when they see me and then wie geht's? I say, wie geht's? Good. Wie geht's? Good. Oh, nice. Nice. I'm really tired, eh? I wish I know how to do this.
Do it.
No, I don't know.
Try.
No, I don't know. My mom in the village will kill me if I do this.
No, she don't know.
Huh?
She don't know.
She don't know how.
Yeah, she don't know. She's not here.
My spirit and her spirit are connected. If I do, she will see.
Now you are here, so she cannot.
Hey, my brother, I have not done this before.
Try it. Okay. See how you are doing it. So you have never smoked?
No. Okay.
Oh. Why?
I'm coughing. You say why? You people are doing a great job by doing this. This small one.
Yeah, because you know the weather here is cold.
You get a call.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, hello? Okay, you are coming.
Show her where we are.
Okay, ja. Also du musst gleich bei der einen Straße links reinfahren, ja? Und dann sitzen wir da auf der Parkbank.
Ofini bizarre eine Parkbank.
Ja.
Okay.
Okay. Bis gleich. Ciao.
Okay. Bis gleich. Ciao.
My friend is coming.
Who? Bridget.
Yeah, Bridget.
Okay.
She's coming. She wants to greet us. And...
Oh, okay. She's the one who called.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Let me try it one more time.
Bridget, what were you doing?
Bridget, you want to kill me? Oh.
Kill.
Your friend wants to kill me. Come and sit down.
Did she ask you to smoke?
Yeah, she said I should try.
Oh, just to try it.
You did.
Yes, I want to because of
You
love.
want her to convince you?
Because of love.
Love.
Because of love, oh, I'll do anything. Oh.
I can see you are happy now.
Oh yeah, I am. You know.
After moving out from my place.
I don't want to go there. Oh, I don't want to
away.
go there. What you did to me in your house, I don't want
What
to
did
go
I?
there.
What happened?
Abena. Anyway, thank you for hosting me in your house. God bless you. And then, thanks, Abena, for me. She has been taking care of me since I got here. And then she always asks me if I'm okay, if I need something. And then, you know, thank you for me, okay? Yeah.
She's a good friend. She's my best friend.
Wow.
Yeah, but it's also nice of her, you know, that she take you some days.
Yeah.
Because, you know, my
took very
work,
good
I'm
care
so
of you.
busy.
You are well, you're so busy?
Yes.
You guys, what did you do?
We did nothing.
So what you guys were doing in the house was a planting.
I'm very sorry for what we did. It was just a planting. Because we wanted to see how good and how matured you are, or maybe you will fall for me or something like that.
Yeah.
Even whether you are real or not, you know. That's why.
Wow, this is so serious.
We're just testing you, and you passed it.
Wow. You guys are so smart. So all that you did to me in your house was a planting.
Just a planting.
Clean here, don't sit here, go
But
and sleep.
you see woman power.
We got it.
We get it.
Because I was recording everything.
For her.
Yeah.
Scheisse.
What
For
is
whom?
she? She's my friend.
For whom?
Yeah. She has been
Why did you
heartbreaking
do that?
before, you know, someone breaks her heart before. That's why we said we would try you.
Jesus.
But you passed it.
Thank you so very much.
So you are
Thank
very
you.
strong. We know you are a man.
He's
now.
a strong
Oh, now
man.
you know I'm a man now.
You are a man.
Oh, I rather cry. And I did when I saw him go for me and teaching. I mean, I make a go on to say, I did and saw her. And I didn't back what will be fear now.
What are you saying?
I'm happy. I'm just saying something, you know.
Oh,
I'm just
okay.
happy, you know.
That's in your language?
Yeah, in our language. That is tree.
Oh,
You are from Angola, right? She told me you are from
yeah,
Angola.
I'm from Angola.
Angola.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And you speak?
I speak tree. No, I don't speak Angolan.
Tree?
I speak tree.
Tree.
It's not tree. Tree.
Tree.
Tree. But I'm for her casa esteem.
No, wait.
Yeah.
It's we have our language.
Uh-huh.
You know, my English is not good. We speak our language and Deutsch.
Yeah.
And you said Chui or?
Tree is me, my language for Ghana.
For Ghana.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So I am a Kumerican. Say Kumerican.
American?
Say Kumerican.
Kumerica for life.
Yes, she is a
you
Kumerican.
know.
Yeah. I've
That's
teacher.
Ghana.
Yeah, Ghana.
Which side?
Kumasi.
Kumasi.
The second capital.
Yeah, the second capital.
Yeah, it's the Kumasi.
Oh.
That is my name.
I want to come. I want to
You want to go to Ghana?
Yeah.
No problem. You bring me
come.
here. Me.
Oh.
You come?
Yeah, we will all go.
I'll show you to
we will
Ghana.
go together,
I'll
yeah.
take you to Kumasi. I'll take you to.
And in Ghana, you eat some food.
Yes. Everything, rice, fufu.
You know how to prepare it?
Everything. I'm
so
do.
you will prepare something
I'm do for you. I'm do for
today
you.
or when?
Oh, well, that's more for me. You are telling me today, and then you.
Because I want to try your
You want
food.
to? Abena
Your
has
language
chopped
is
fufu.
yeah.
I
prepared
mean,
it.
yeah.
But
Very
at
good.
my house, you didn't prepare.
Because
food.
you are treating me bad.
You know, it was our plan.
No, I didn't know it was a plan.
Yeah.
My
you
brother,
know,
we
I brought
cook.
something. We need to go and chill out.
You bring drinks.
Yeah, let us go. and
Okay,
chill.
we go and drink something.
Okay, then let's go.
Let's do it.
All right.
Okay. But you will teach me your language.
I'll
right?
teach you tree.
Tree. You will teach me
What
tree.
is say me here?
You want to say where?
Here is I'm okay.
It's I'm okay.
Aye, yeah, I'm
We
okay.
want to say
Me
where?
here.
Oh,
I'm okay.
So how to say it together? We want to say
Here. What is say here?
where?
Oh my God.
It's J Sounds.
I'm okay. I'm very, very okay. This place looks nice, yeah? What's this place? What's this place?
I speak many words for. No?
No?
Yes, I.
Hey, I don't understand. Oh,
Why you don't understand? She's trying her English small.
oh okay.
What she
Okay.
has say?
Metiasia. Hey, you are learning the tree
Yeah,
small,
man.
small tree.
Small,
Yeah,
small.
woman. Yeah, woman.
Okay, that is Anna.
Anna.
Yeah, she's new. Like I think you have not seen her before.
No.
right? Yeah. So
Anna.
it's my best friend.
Oh, Anna, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice. I hear today is your birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
So we just
Happy
enjoyed
birthday to you.
on the river.
Happy birthday to Anna. Happy birthday to you.
You get it?
You get it?
If you don't get it.
Forget about it.
Thank you.
So, how old are you?
I'm-
38, 56, 241?
Yeah.
241.
Yeah.
Give me bolder. Bolder.
No, I'm 26.
26. Wow, that's nice. 26 look good on you.
Thank you.
I was going to give you 16.
16.
Yeah.
Hey,
The
Papa
face
Kumasi.
small. Yeah, the face too small. Yeah, but 26.
He's a romantic man.
Very, very romantic.
Yes,
Am I
so-
romantic? Am I sexy too? You sure? Wow, that's nice. Yeah. Yeah.
So you want to go to the water?
The water?
Yeah.
No, do you want to go?
Yes, you.
Me, I don't want to go
You
because
want?
it's the weather is too cold, you know. And me stepping, he says, sir, sir. It's hot, it's cold.
It's
Yeah,
not
step.
cold.
Okay, go inside. Let me see.
No, you go with me.
Me,
Yeah.
I'm afraid of.
No.
Where?
This is only water.
If you so be we abroche so na be family na me ndai. Be so makra say me ba abroche be pesika. It's cold, eh?
It's not cold.
It's not cold. Okay. I'm not you.
It's not cold.
It's so na you.
Yeah, because of you are from Africa.
Yeah, I'm from Ghana.
So you don't know
25 degrees.
25. But
25.
it's not cold though.
It's
Seriously.
not
For us
Yeah,
it's not cold.
for you it's not cold, but for me, my village where I'm coming from is
But
cold.
now you are a German man.
Yeah, I'm a German man, but still nice
So
cold.
you go with me inside the water. Now you know the weather.
Send your weather now, send your weather now. Although I never saw sister if you're here. Wow. Okay, I'll come. You go, I'll come. I'll follow you later soon.
Me, I cannot go far.
So stand here.
Yeah. I don't take a dress for swimming.
For swimming. Me too. I don't take dress for swimming.
So I
you
cannot
stand-
go back naked. You understand?
Understand,
So I have to go only.
But
with
it's
my-
not all that deep, ne?
No, it's not deep.
It's not deep.
You
ne?
come
Yeah, I'm coming.
with shoes.
Yeah, no, I'm taking it off.
Okay, come.
Yeah.